talk carbon fibre composite pressure cleaning poles. 24, 28, 32 and 42 feet. The ergonomics, the strains, the stresses of using a pole at those heights is obviously tremendous. I want to show you something today. You can get us on the web at ionicsystems.com.au, only down under, for pressure cleaning poles. We've got a 24 foot hooked up to 4,000 psi, 21 litres a minute. Ideally they're rated for that and hot, but I wouldn't really run that through. We've probably got about 3,000 psi on it today. I just wanted to show you how we nullify the weight. Come in close, have a look at the end, and I'd like to talk to you a bit more. So we've got that pole just hovering. You can look at the strains and stresses on me, one-handed, to be able to control that pole. So if you're pressure cleaning all day, to nullify the weight, have a carbon composite pole to give you more rigidity. I'm going to flick it around a little bit to show you what we've got. Quite easy to use. You can put 12-inch surface cleaners on the end. Any more information, you can get us down under only at ionicsystems.com.au. Thanks for watching.